Nah, doesn't interest me till it gets to 485. That's not a short. BSLK does not look like a mover to me, guys, at all. But it's far from the entry. It's 340. It's far from the entry. But I do see 304, near 304. There's a little move on LWVR. Let's see if this is a real candle or not. So I am long on LVWR for the second time. I've already shorted VVPR with a great effect. BLRX, let me take a look at that one. BLRX, didn't it run after hours yesterday? Nope, this morning. $10.73. There's no level. BLRX 1 hour, there's nothing. Daily after 783, there's a gap, so this is going to move up. BLRX probably is short at 840. If there's anything, we'll see. We cannot touch that one. BLRX is going to be too volatile. Too volatile. Right now, as of now, it's actually a short. But they can rip this thing. As of now, it's a short. But it has done ultimate fade. So if you guys want to build a position at 650 here, that might not be a bad thing, but you need 830 also. But there's no between 650. You'll have to add and cut, add and cut. But it suggests there is no interest. So this is a short. There is no interest on BLRX. But what it needs to do, it needs to break 540 also. VIVK. So I've done one long on LVWR. I am long on Uru also. Let's see where it goes. I'll go ahead, go short on BLRX. I'll take risk. I will take risk. And SBET is still a long. SBET is still a long. Yeah, so BLRX should break down below 6. Just below 6. If it doesn't create a lower, higher highs and high lows here. It's coming, it's coming, coming. Small size though. I just need 595. And I'm going to be happy with that because it didn't do a complete RSI. Let's see, it's still game in town. VIVK. Oh wow, VIVK. VIVK is done. VIVK is done. Is done. Is done. Pike up, please. Pike up, pike up, pike up, pike up, pike up. Come on, move up. Move up. VIVK, guys, is a chase. BSLK is a short. BLRX is a short. Not so sure about LVWR, but this chasing VIVK would be good. Let's get in at 180 here first. VIVK, nice, come on. Very small size, what the fish? What am I supposed to do with a small size? But looks done. Pike would be nice, but it's just about to hit VIVK. There's another one, just very small size. Because this is not the area. The area on VIVK is 180. That's the one that I told you guys, and then after that is 260. So I would like if I could get 210, 220 on this. It's not dead yet. Good, 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 good. Go, 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 go. Don't come down, don't come down. Not yet, not yet. A little bit better size, guys. Got to do a little bit better size. Come on. Just improved. I have a total size of only the 3,000 shares in here, so let's see. Look at SBET. SBET is a long. Is, I don't know, 125. First, they got to cross 110, which they did yesterday. VIVK. Chasing it, but there is a level at 180. But it's up 100%. Holding pretty well in 170s, 160s rather. Could use a nice pike. Oh, 155. If you did 180 just now, you're in great shape. You're at 160. $220, $230 would be good. ECDA. ECDA was another one that came up this morning. It's a 50-cent stock, so no go there. Our VVPR was a superstar of 20% gain, flat out. SBET, I played it yesterday 4 times the long. Here comes 80. Yeah, I gotta get some size in. Okay guys, so now I do have a decent size at 182. Oh, wow, what was that? What's the news on VIVK while I'm doing this? VIVK. Come on, VIVK. Oh, it was earnings yesterday. That means they really want to make a move to 230. So that means we have to be under control with our size. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. That is 10%, guys. That is 10%. One more dip. Get over 10. The area they're defending is 160. It went to 155, 154 actually. But it seems they have built up a decent volume now. Need one more dip on it. Meantime, really good work, guys. Look at VVPR. VIVK is okay. It's 10% already, one time. This is pretty good right there, guys. Look at that. So down to 4,700 shares on VIVK. So VIVK and this morning has started pretty good, almost nearing $5,000 for the day. Has taken 3 plays so far. The one position that I would like to close is BSLK. I don't think I want to hold this one. LVWR gave me a nice 10%, not 10%, it gave me almost 12% earlier. So that's not too bad. I'm gonna hold this BLRX short. Look at SBET is 10% in money from where I entered. 10% almost. I'm gonna take profit and then I'm gonna show it to you guys, right? Let me take 150 shares right there. 8% plus. Just SBET, just like yesterday, guys. Look at that. 9%. Take another 50 right there. So I'm down 200 shares on that one. And you can see where I've taken already 10% on VIVK. Right there, you guys can see this VIVK. There's 10% on SBET. I made like almost 65% yesterday on SBET, guys. So SBET, I still have 500 on a 50 shares left. $530. But altogether, pretty rocking morning. $7,500 in money. I'm about to make more. About to make about 1,200 more on BLRX. S-bet, look at that. S-bet, let the S-bet go. Take another 25 shares. LVPR, yeah, I'll hold. If you want to get out, I think you can. There's no volume as of now. You can get out. This is your, if you guys feeling uneasy. S-bet broke 110. It's all good. There you go. That's what I was talking about. BLRX short. Look at that. Little bit more. Little bit more. BLRX, come on. Wow. Yeah, I can literally swing this LVWR. The way they're setting it up, I can literally swing it. So I went long at 98, guys, on S-bet. No, that was pretty good. 180 was a very good entry, Linda. Very good entry. Look at that. Look at its 15%. Why not? Let's take another 2,000. Now I'm down to 1,000 shares. I have a 180 average. I'm down to 1,000 shares. 1,000 shares left. You know, that means almost crossed 8,400 to start the morning. And I'm not even playing that big, guys. I'm not even playing that big. 153. It's just that I'm cutting it properly. Yeah, LVPR, one long worked out, second long, I mean, I have a 340 average, so it's just 10 cents away from the money. But I'm happy with VIVK, got my average to 180. Nice one, Pete, well done. Wow, look at S-bet, 20%. I like this, I like this, I like this. Let's take another 50 shares out at 121. That's the way to do it. I picked up S-bet perfectly. And I picked it up yesterday, so you know, I posted the chart in the room. Let me see if I can show it to you guys again. Pre-market, here we go. So this is how I did S-bet yesterday. I just don't find the trend, you know, it comes down, I'll buy it. What, you know, whatever, right? There's going to be plenty of dips. Guys, VIVK, let's not do 180 anymore. 230. Okay, so if you want to close your position, get rid of it completely, fine with me. I'll do it myself. That's still 11%. I am completely out of VIVK. So the way to do this is to watch this long, you know. When this interest comes up after a dull moment, that's when this thing is going to run. So look at this. Came here, dull, came here. That's when I went long. You could have gone here as well. It was a little bit dull, but you want to extend it 20-minute dull period, you know. Okay, LVWR is in a stop out area for 5% loss. It's not going to go up unless you want to swing. So I'm going to leave it as a swing. I'm going to add probably more at 278, 280. Leave it as a swing because I think the way they have held threes, they're going to break 5. And this is a multi-day runner. Just today they're not finding it. Maybe they'll find it in the market time. It's like lace. Look at lace. How many times I've loaded. I know I was long on lace from 220s or whatever, 210s. But now it's time to reload lace. I've sold lace at 420 and it goes from 420 all the way to 320s. And I started lace long a while ago. So if you want to leave, LVWR is also fine because this is a stop out area. Now it's 7%. But I'll leave it, I'll buy it back. Doesn't look like it's going to come up now for now. This is your bottom. Once it broke 320, it broke an absolute bottom. But having said that, it rises from the bottom. It rises from the bottom. So if you build out a 340, you're good. You're holding it, you're still good. You build out a 320, you're good. Either way. But look at the dip on SBET. It's not done yet. It's not done yet. So I've cut size on BLRX for 7%. I wanted 93, but it did 608. So decided that for time, it's pre-market, right? And the best entry on this one is 8 anyway. Thank you guys for liking and sharing our social media. That also puts me at 9,500 for the day. Not a bad pre-market. Not a bad pre-market. It's all about timing. From the volume of it, VIVK probably has a 188 short and 230 short. Whichever area comes in the market time. LVWR only went to like 30%, 34%. Was it even 34%? More like, yeah, it was 34% at 85. Yeah, it's 10% right now, so yeah. This will hold, guys. It's a multi-day runner. VIVK, if it breaks down 140, this could be disaster. 140 now. So I got out a little too early on VIVK. Look at that 140. Got out a little too early. Now there is no level here, but to touch near 120, 131, 120. It's already at 144, so it's not too far. Where is my Buru? So I'm long on Buru. Look at this, guys. I'm long on Buru. Swing long, 40% up. Only problem is I don't have that much investment in that one. I have like less than less than $1,800 investment, which is unreal. When was the last time? Probably like 4 years ago I would do something like this. It's only 5,000 shares. That's my average. It's up 40%. I didn't take profit even at 90%. Watch this. This was yesterday, right around 90% at 55, whatever, 86%. I didn't take any profit. I saw it. It's not that I didn't see it. I saw it here when it was 60%. I might take something just for the sake of it. Wow. VIVK keeps falling. VIVK keeps falling. I did good with adding, but I did pretty bad with holding. But you start with the 10K in the morning, 1 hour worth of work. Not even 1 hour. I started at what? Just 10 till 8. So in 35 minutes. Perfect outing on BLRK as well. Now BLRK is again probably an entry. This is where I had entered BLRK. Wow, VIVK, seriously 131. Left a lot of it on table, guys. Got out of 160. 30 more cents. Wow. And I kind of saw this too. That 180 was a short. But the way it held for so long, I was like, earnings play, 11 million volume. Wow. Never mind. Wow. There's 40% on Buru. Buru keeps coming up. I would love it. But this time I think I will, for the proper trading scenario, you got to take profits, you know. So I'll tell you why I didn't take profit on Buru, because I did 127 to 114, and I explained it in the chart yesterday. But I gotta take 3,000 shares, so whatever. It's profit is profit. It's not, I mean, I don't have that much money anyway, right? So let's see. Now down to 2,000 shares. Let's see what happens. And, I mean, 2,000 shares is worth $250, and you know what 2,000 shares cost me? $600. 2,000 shares cost me $600, and you're making $300 on a $600 investment. Go figure. VIVK, oh my gosh. And we thought we were smart to take profit at 154. It's gone. It is gone. So Pete, if you want to get out of LVWR, it's probably going to give you 230 in a little bit. You know, if you have a 340 average, if you made your average a little bit better, you can always make your average better and get out. Just in case, if anybody else wants to get out, that's the way to do it. But 45% on Buru. I didn't take 90%. I took 45. 335 average, beautiful. BLRX was short in that area again. 660. Seems like 660 is the area to short. 609 is the cover. It's more of an RSI play, BLRX. Guys, I mean, right? $10,000, 30 minutes worth of work. I mean, Buru, Buru cannot beat me. Buru goes to 0 and still not going to beat me. But you know what? The way they're making the news, I think Buru somewhere is around 80 cents or 78 cents. SBet looks like wants to move, but I think they will dip it again. It's not a time to go on SBet. Man, VIVK is killing. Oh my God, it's all sell. We could chase this thing and probably make money on it. Oh my gosh. Pete, look at this. Linda, look at this. 118. We were short at 180. Wow. We're happy with 12-13%. Besides this one long on LVWR net, there hasn't been any long that I can call any longs. NVEE up only 20%, so 25%, 30%, whatever. NVVE we had traded very recently. You can see we had traded this at $3.12 and $3.14, and we had done amazing from that area. This very recently. So if you were to trade today, what would you trade? 178, this area, and if it breaks up, 240, and you can forget about this one for now. That was the last time that's what we had traded. So your 335 is about here. LVWR, Pete, you can get out. It's at 35 right now. No loss, no gain. You can put it away for that. Did you guys see the post yesterday, guys? I don't know how many people are online in our room right now, but not that many. But people who are into holding overnight long on shorts, how crazy does it get? How crazy does it get, guys?
That's nuts. What you posted yesterday, was it Rob Booker's P&L?
Yes, it is. He sent it in his email.
Like over 100 grand?
Yeah, and he's down 112 grand, and he was lucky to make SBet 6,000 because he said the neon light flashed. Neon light flashed. He shorted 31 and 32, and he got out at 29 because the neon light flashed.
Wow. Well, I got to give it to him for posting that. I mean,
no, and he posted the chart. This is the chart right here. He says he got in here, and this is, look at this. He says there's no volume. No volume is a good sign for short, right? You see this? He says volume low, exit now. What does that mean?
I don't know why the SEC doesn't investigate them.
I mean, I know. I mean, traders are traders, but it says volume is low, exit now. If you're short, if the volume is not coming, that's a good sign. Okay, that's a good sign. Like right now, if you look at that SBet, when the volume comes, it moves. When the volume is down and nobody's buying, there's chances. I mean, it's not. I mean, what I'm trying to tell you, if you see this right here, sell. You don't get out then and there. I mean, of course, it went to 20, 25, 26. It was a little more fall than what he posted, but he got out. Of course, it's his strategy. But shorted 1,000 shares at 31 something, 31.80, and he shorted another 1,000 shares. So he put in $70,000 worth of liquidity. He made 10%. He got out. But that's crazy. And then the worst thing is, wow, 112,000 in negative. You are YMAX. You're down 51,000. And if you have a $100,000 account, your account is closed. It's done.
No, that changes your whole mindset. You can't focus on other things.
Yeah, you can't. I mean, you have Adobe 47,000, and your profits are like 2,000 and 1,500. Look at the rest of the profit.
You'll never make that up.
He'll never make it. Amod, he made 2,000. Okay, he's happy with that. 153, 52, 900, and then when you're holding this, you would not be sleeping. Just crazy.
Sleeping with the fishes.
Crazy people, crazy. I mean, there are lots of traders, but they do great marketing. Great marketing. They are video blogging and going crazy, and
Yeah, I don't get it.
yeah, they don't back test their system. So they're talking about the depression on the dilution. You know, that's their system.
Yeah.
What did he say over here? Right here, dilution pressure score. And just before that, it was like, oh, no cash on hand. No cash on hand, huh? Are you going to watch what people are buying and selling, or are you going to watch that, you know? And yes, 30% of the time they're going to pay you. But then 30%, and then when supply and demand comes on SBET, and SBET is a 121, and some of you people are holding from even 30 and 4. I mean, he was holding from 6. Okay? He was holding, I mean, Linda can tell. There's a 345 again, guys. 347. I have a pretty good size. I did my average better just a little bit. On LVWR. I don't know, Pete, if you got out, it's 346. 350. I'm going to take about 7,000 shares out. Right there.
No volume.
Yeah. So it's an RSI, so you got to take it. It's going to have, because I added a little bit at the bottom just a little while ago. You guys can see I added here. Added a little bit when it started to move in the right area. So I'm like a little slightly oversized. That also means I am $11,000. That was 10,000. Now I'm 11,000. I don't have
Roger,
much size.
What's asking? VIVK, you think it's long here? What's this asking?
No, VIVK is not long at all. I mean, it was going to be long from 145. The minute it broke down that far, it's just ultimate fader at 50%. How good was their earning? Let's just check it out. If market comes up with it, so
Revenue up 133% first quarter.
wow, EPS was in negative, but even bigger negative. They were supposed to be down only 0.07, but they were down 0.21. That's way bigger. Revenue 37 million versus 16 million year to year. So that's why they're talking about 133% growth. So the revenue is good, but the EPS is even worse. So they are announcing, so stock dividend, they're paying a stock dividend. How are you going to pay dividend when your EPS is in negative? But that's a positive news that they're going to pay dividend. So I took off almost 5% profit on LVR, but I've already made 12% earlier. But this was a adding size, cutting size. I should have picked it up at 320, but I was like, no, I'm gonna pick it up at 278. Then I would have looked for only bailout, not for a run. VVPR was, oh, look at VVPR, came up at 530. And that's in the area, 530 right here. Look at this, 530 is in an area right here, guys. Yep, right there. Came up to that area. Wow. Yeah, VIVK is, at least for now, it's not coming anywhere. They might have made money and they might have announced dividend. I should have been patient. I should have seen that candle, big wick, big red candle. I did great by adding 180. That was by far is really good. But did not do a good job of holding. I was happy with 30 cents and they went down to oh my gosh, don't even want to say it. 70 cents. I left like 40 cents on table. Happens. I don't have much size in VVPR, guys, and neither do I have any size in SBET. SBET, I'm likely to buy at around 84, 83 as a long. So coming to the short, I never leave my short position. I think in an entire year, I think I've left like 2 or 3 short positions. I think very recently was XIA or something like that. Worked out pretty good. I don't leave my short position overnight. That's ridiculous. $120 to $100. Is this coming down or what? SBET, is it coming down or not? It is. Ooh. It is going to do 84 and 77. Watch out. I remember a couple of tickets that had done exactly that, guys. Could literally short this and get it down all the way to SBET, all the way to 84. Look at that. So how do I know that it's dropping and going back to 84? We just have to spend enough time in our room to find out. All the longs in SBET, in STT are probably getting crushed. They're thinking it's 250. It is going to do something outstanding. 125 is not it. This is their first support area, 98. Their second support area is 93, which is yesterday's. Their best support area is 93. Bottom of the areas are 75. I think they're going to do between 84 and 77 or 75. Make a move to 110. They're going to make a move from 177. So how do you play? Get in at 84. Out at 77, 75. Have a 70. 79 average, 79 average. Put a stop at 69. $10. It's going to be $10 stop from here. And then look for 110 from 79 average to 110. You're going to sell at 98, of course. You're going to sell at 105. You're going to get out by the time it reaches 110. Reset it. That's how we would play it. You have another way to play. You guys can play it differently. There's many ways to play it. I mean, we're not the only one, but we are a really good one. Like I said yesterday, 25 wins and 3 losses, 26. And in fact, I didn't even add the ZEO that had 3 more wins on the tracker. We can look up the tracker from yesterday. So, you know, Michael, I was thinking about, me and Amita, we were talking. I was thinking about how to update our tracker for even a little bit better. Where is our tracker? There we go. So I think finally I figured out, I think, you know where we say 10% equity. So going next month, I think instead of 10%, I'm going to do like if we have half size, then we're going to only say like 5% equity. And still it's going to be official entries, but I mean, everybody's account is different. This account is set up at 27. And yes, it gets to pretty wild numbers right now, like 350 something. But I think I'll be able to, it's a little bit harder to do it like this. And we obviously we won't do multiple cuts like the way we do, like, you know, 2 cuts, 3 cuts. So it's bouncing from the first support area of 98. Aspect. Not a clean one yet. Good morning, Jennifer.
Good morning, Ron.
Guess what our Buru is, Michael? 50, 60%. Imagine if I had only put in $10,000. That'd be up $6,000 on a $10,000 right now. And that's normally what I do. GITS. $80% and looks, what's the news on it? Looks done. Looks done. See some locates here. It's done. It's done. Level is at 171. 171 and 188 and 227. GITS. It's done. It's done, guys. 188 would be the entry if you can get it. If you want to chase 66%, it's also doable. Here comes 188. 188, come on. 188, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. 179, come on. Okay, here we go. Come on, one more push. Okay, got 186 just now. No, it's gaming. Whoa, 221 as well. Now it's gaming, guys. This is a game on now. Time to cut size here.
GITS.
Daily is, this is the ultimate now. Fish, this is ultimate. Now I have to take a stop loss at 275 here, guys. Oh my gosh. Just ripped it. Just ripped it. 275, it ripped it. That's a huge loss. 195, 272. Big size. Couldn't get a cut. Okay, going in after this confirmation of a red candle, 275 would be a great entry if I could get it. But might have to deal with 245. Red candle, not now, not right now, guys, not right now. Even if we get a 230 to 160 something would be great, but not right now. It's too early. 41 seconds. Too early, too early, too early. Come on, no, 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 too early, too early, too early. No long either. No long either. Where is the next number on daily here? Wow, reverse split from February. 312. 312. Three twelve, 312, come on. Okay, half size gotta go in now. Half size gotta go in now. Half size. In now. In the 70s. That's where we stopped out. It's gonna be a recovery of huge proportion. 312 is the better number. What time is it? Oh no, come on, dude. $312 is the next area, that's it. 275, these are wild plays here. Okay, another quarter needs to be added here. Another quarter. Go in. Yep. Now let's see if we can get 328. 328. 328. Come on.
You mean to say 228?
228. Yeah, I meant 228. Correct. Three-quarter size in, 287 average. Oh boy. Oh boy. This is crazy. This is crazy. Now the drop is going to be only to 249. If it drops, that is. 249. Jesus. This is morons come from everywhere. No news on it.
GITS.
Last ad now. That's it. Fuck. 74, we gotta stop out. Big loss, big one. We gotta stop out at 74 from here. Oh my god, this is 73. Hit 74, just get out even at 78, 79, 80, whatever it is. This is crazy. 1.5 million. Now it's good, hopefully. Come on. We got ways to go down, guys. Ways to go down. First thing is to bail out of this thing. First thing is to bail out. Not look for profit or not look for any gains whatsoever. This is humongous pump here. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 310, 310, 310, 310. 310. Oh my gosh. This is not good. I'm out. I'm out. This is incredible. I am out. Huge, huge. Wow. Took a huge hit. Wow. Can't believe I actually gave everything I made this morning. Wow, this is crazy. The backside would be as good, but now we're gonna have to work our butt off. This is crazy. Hasn't dropped at any point to even give us 320. Only the candles are moving. Go up now. Go up so we can go get better areas. Has one more move, I think. A dip and a one more move. The numbers have been out of place now completely. There is no number at 360, 370. There is no number. The best number was 312. Next number is 5. Wow. This has been just a shoddy. Okay, gonna do one more short. This one I'm gonna keep it very, very tight and play this 391, and I'm gonna get in a 370. 391. Keep it very tight. And let's see if we can get 315. That would be first recovery. 315. Come on. $391 stop. 315 is the first target. This one is definitely tighter than the other ones. Come on. Come on, 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 come on. 320. 320, come on. What more? One more, one more, one more. That would be a first recovery, guys. Come on, come on. Flush, 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 flush. Come on. It's a full-size play, guys. This ticket, all it has done is taken money from us. 91 is the stop, 71 is the average. There we go, 20. 15, I'm taking profit, which is basically recovery. It's not a profit. Now 370 would be the stop. So we don't give anything this time. They can go down all the way to 283. They're still in a bullish pattern. They're still in a bullish pattern. They are still in a bullish pattern. Come on. Boy, they were so close. 322. Need this 160 cents badly here. Come on, 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 come on. 320, 317. Okay, let's cut half here, guys. Let's cut half and half at 283 and stop out 370. Let's cut half. Let's cut half right here. 320 itself. Okay, let's take 320. Only half, but half we stop out at 370. And then half we make it at 283. So it's going to compensate for that 5 cents anyway. Here we go, 315. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Come on, come on. Keep going. It's already at 315, 314. Let's go. Recovery here. Man, this is the ugliest looking chart ever. Ugliest looking chart ever, actually. Honestly. I played it so bad. Half size out, guys. 320. Half at 283. Need 283. So then we'll have a recovery of almost 80 cents at that point. Then we're gonna need another 80 cents recovery. Freaking, we started this thing at 175. What the fuck? Come on. Come on. It's just a little recovery at this point, guys. Crazy. I was up nicely, nearly 12,000. I'm up like 4,400 now. Right now, shorting from 370 no longer. Looking for 285. Right now it's at 315, 310. Here comes 3. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. 385. It's at 310 right now. From 371. Shorted. Crazy looking chart. 305, come on. I don't mind a bounce, but at least do 283 first. Then we're gonna short it at 340. Needs to get under 3. At 305 is not good enough. 305 is not good enough. Still only half size out. I need out and out 70, 80 cents. So at least the last loss is going to be erased. Right here, $3. $3, come on, come on, come on, 298. I'm taking some more out, guys. Taking some more out, 295. 295, 294. Come on, hit it. There we go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 95 again. 93, 91, 89, 88. Time to take it, guys. Time to take it. Okay, so that's a nice recovery right there. Insane, insane, guys. But luckily it behaved at 371 average. 388. I mean 288. Meantime, Buru is still at 46, 50%. Hopefully, that one goes on to do something special. Thank you. Now we can reload, guys. Now we can reload. So I am likely to reload 355 area. 347, I will go 1/3 size. 345, 347, I'll go 1/3 size. I'll play through this entire market time, whatever. I would not play over 391. That I know that. I will not play over 391. GITS, we have traded it. We have traded it. I don't know what we're gonna do if it breaks 274. If it breaks 274, we have nothing that we know how we can trade. Bounce is good. Bounce is good. I'm waiting for 48, guys. I'll make my average to 370 full size. I'll give him 93 as a stop loss. Doesn't look like it will touch 48. Let's see if they have a gun here. It's at 321. Don't fall. Don't fall. It will fall. It's an RSI. Anyway, guys, people who are trading live with us, 9:10. I'll see you guys on Monday. Not bad. Not a bad morning, but even yesterday was it? Yeah, I think yesterday was another ticker very similar. GITS screwed us up. But we came back strong with almost 20 wins. I mean, if I count 2 losses, I mean, I had 7 wins before going into those 2 losses, and then just won. So I'm like 8-2. But those losses, oh my God, I gotta be even more careful. This is just crazy. Up like just over close to 7,000 from 12,000. I mean, still, I need to recover 5,000 more. I'm gonna take this. My plan for now is stop out 93, short 47 and 70s. If it doesn't give me a stop, I'll just stop out. See if there's a long at somewhere. Hopefully no long. So I'll see you guys on Monday. Have a nice weekend.